and today it's an unboxing video of a puzzle, and it's the 4x4 and a mirror cube. So I haven't yet learned to solve a mirror cube or a 4x4 as I didn't have one. Now I bought my first mirror cube and 4x4, so I've been solving a 2x2 and a few 3x3s and a Pyramidix, which I've been already unboxing. Now I have a new unboxing tool that is moyu, meilong, 4x4 and a mirror cube. So let's go on to the unboxing. So before the unboxing begin, we have the cube judges awaiting to see the new one. So these are senior judges, as you all know. So I'm going through the package. I don't know why it's having a lot of plastic in it. It's not supposed to have a lot of it. And it's like, oh my god. Inside it's moyu. I read it outside, so I know. The final slice. So I'm going to just tear it open. Is that how an unboxing should be? I would say yes. So look at the package. Even it's awesome. I'm going to store them for later. Look at the 4x4. I don't think that's going to be the real 4x4 as it looks so big in there. And this is the mirror one. Let's unbox the mirror later, but first go through the 4x4 because I love 4x4 and I can't wait for the 4x4. The mirror stands in between the judges, but the 4x4 stands just for a minute. And go, let's unbox. So I'm going to unbox this one first. So it looks beautiful in there. Wait a minute, it looks so small. Let's try a comparison. Oh my god, it's the same size, I wish. But I've never seen such small cubes before. Oh, it has a small booklet. It says moyu cubing classroom. I don't know which cuber was that, not famous one. It says how to solve the cube in beginner's method, but I don't like beginner's method, so I don't need them. So I think it has control settings as scores should be controlled to higher speed. And look at that. Oh, it's a big manual, not a quick manual. So it says parity also, which I may need because I know to solve it as a 3x3, which I'm going to show, but I don't know how to solve it as a 4x4 itself. Do we need the package? Yes, I do, but I tore it. Oh god, we don't need the package anymore. So first moves out of the box. Oh my god, it's so fast. Oh my god, I've never seen so much fast cubes before. That's a T-perm. It looks so beautiful. But I am not sure about the corner cutting. It's so small in my hands, not like ordinary cubes. Reverse corner cutting, not possible. Usual corner cutting, a bit possible, not 45. And middle layer corner cutting, not possible, but a bit possible. And middle layer counter corner cutting is not possible. So that's about the cube. And let me solve it like a 2x2. I wish I won't break the shuffle. Some other YouTubers have uploaded video on solving this like a 2x2, just like this. It's so beautiful, and I'm going to try to solve them. Now I'm going to put this white piece on top. Then I've inserted that. Oh no, I was wrong, a bit wrong. I didn't see it. So I've got this piece inserted. Yeah, now I solved this much. Now I'm going for that insertion. Now I've got a sewn and a T-perm. Yeah, that was the solve. I don't know if I shuffled this way. I don't know to solve yet. I'll be learning and uploading a video on how to solve this one. And it's just like a 2x2. So now let's go to the mirror cube. On the review of the 4x4, I rated 5 out of 5. And going to this one. Oh my god, I don't want to waste this package as well. Oh, it's beautiful. I think it's stickered. I ordered a stickless one, but it's okay for me. It's just a mirror one. And most of you may have the mirror cube at your home. I don't know how to open it out of the box. It's so thick out there. It's not coming. I'm gonna try the other way as well. Boof. That's so hard. I'm gonna push it through this side. I don't know, it's gonna come either way. So I'm going to tear the package. I don't care, huh? This is not the real unboxing anyway. Wow, my god, it's so small as the other one. Oh god, it's shapeshift, as we all know. See? It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I can solve it, but I think it's just like a 3x3, but it's shapeshift. as imagine this is the yellow layer, it goes like this and this. That means the yellow is here, which is something like this, where the yellow is here. So it's exact of a 3x3, so I'm sure I could solve it, but I think it will take a lot of time. It's like the apple cube. Oh god, it shapes up a lot. So I'm going to show you a semi-solve if you want, so something like where. Okay, I'm gonna solve it. Oh god. It was so easy, by the way. It shapeshifts a lot. Anyway, I don't want to shuffle it so hard so that I can solve it. This is the mirror cube, and let's check out its corner cutting. Oh god, it doesn't. On the other way, it does. A bit. Only a bit, not 45. And with the middle layer, not at all. Yes, a bit. Like counterclockwise corner cutting is not possible, and oh god, it's so beautiful and it's so speedy. And the link to buy these both cubes will be in the description. And this is a mini cube that's so beautiful, and I thought it would be a lot of grease or like lube outside, but there's nothing, like the ordinary 4x4s, and it's the beautiful one. Well, let me see if I could do edge burn. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Let's see the times between this one and that one. That's the time for edge burn. It's hard to turn though. Like the counterclockwise corner cutting is not possible, and it's so fast out of the box. Turnings are so quick. So I rate these both cubes 5 out of 5. So you should buy them if you have so much cost. It just costed 500 INR, and it's so beautiful. So I ordered it like Amazon. So I'll send you the link in the description below. So that's it for today's cubing. Bye. And also I'll be uploading tutorials on about these cubes, and don't worry if you don't know to solve them. I'll upload tutorials. So bye.